Hey everyone, this is Mukesh Otwani once again from learn-automation.com. Today in this lecture, we are going to talk about how we can work with Edge browser in Selenium with Python. So in the last lectures, we already discussed with how to work with Chrome, how to work with Firefox, how to work with IE. Now, as we know, Microsoft is not going to support IE 11 for the next year. So definitely in long run, we have to use Microsoft Edge browser, right? So you will be getting a requirement soon that you need to run all your tests on this browser. So let's see how do we work or how do we run our Selenium test on the Edge browser. Okay, so you can see I already have Edge, and so let's see how we can run our test on Edge browser. So what I will do, first of all, I need a separate Python file. So let me do one thing. Let me create a separate Python file, and I will simply say Selenium Edge, or let me just write Edge Selenium. So let's import. So how do you import? As we have seen earlier, so first of all we will say from Selenium, and we will be importing a WebDriver, right? Just you need to type WebDriver and just say .edge. And again, when you're working with Edge, so we need the Edge driver as well. So let's see how does it work. So first of all, I'm going to store the variable into a driver. Okay, so why you will call this as a driver, you can name it whatever you wish. Now let's do one thing. Let's simply run this and see what exactly the output is. So we simply want to invoke Edge browser, and you can see it is giving us one exception called WebDriver exception, and it says Microsoft WebDriver.exe executable need to be in the path, and we can download from here. So one thing, like, you can download from here, or as usual we will go back to selenium.dev, which is official site. We will go to downloads, and from here we will download the Edge driver. So let's wait, yes, and let's come back here. Just go back to the browsers, and you will see a dedicated section for Edge, and you can just click on the documentation. Now guys, very important part here, as you can see, Microsoft Edge driver is not downloadable separately from Windows, and these are the different releases they have. So release 87, 86, 85. So right now my Edge is 85. Okay, so if I show you, just let me open my Edge browser, and if I simply go to settings, go to help, and if I just go to about Microsoft Edge, I can see it's version 85, right? It's official build, it's updating, that's fine. So let's try with 85. So in case if you are working with different versions, you can see they have the different releases 87, 86 and so on. In case if your version is not listed here, guys, this is important, you can find out the complete version history from here. As you can see, it has listed down all the different releases they have. So right now our version is already listed here, which is 85. So again, based on your operating system, you can download the respective drivers. So right now I'm working with 64-bit. I will continue with this. In case if you're working with different versions and different OS, you can check out the other stuff, which is Mac and Windows 32 and ARM64. So right now I will click on X64. So it is going to download the driver for 64-bit. I already have, so it says it's already have in my download directory. So let me open simply show in folders. Yes, I already have, and you can see it is already having Microsoft Edge driver. But yes, let me simply extract here. Once again it will overwrite, so I will say yes to all. Okay, anyways I'm using it, so it's not overriding. But yeah, you will have the direct file. So when you unzip, you will get this MSJ driver, which is Microsoft Edge driver. I will just copy as path. I will go to my PyCharm, and here I will simply say executable path, and I will simply provide the path here. As usual, I will give it 2// and it should continue with Edge browser now. Okay, and let's do one thing. Let's do some activity. I will open application. Let me just print yahoo.com this time, and let me print two things. One is driver.titles, and let me also print current URL. So driver.titles current URL, and finally I'm going to close this browser. Now let's right click and run once again. It will simply pass yahoo.com, and once the page is loaded, it will print the title and it will also print the current URL. Since I'm recording this session from India, so it says in.yahoo.com, and you can see we got the title and we got the URL as well. So it's very straightforward, just like other browsers. You just need their driver, which we already downloaded, and simply you need to use it. Going ahead, you need to use Edge browser for regular execution, so do not ignore Edge browser in a long run. Okay, so that's a quick video. If you like this video, then make sure you share with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.